Today we will be doing the unboxing of residential project Purva Aspire by Puravankara Group in Bavdhan, Pune. So in this, we will be covering below points like overview, plan analysis, pros and cons and various others. So let's start. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Why do physical site visit? Housey brings you first ever unique experience of online site visit with project unboxing videos, actual site tours, complete cost sheet with payment breakup. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So save your time, do online site visit with Housey.com. First one is project overview. Purva Aspire will be constructed on a land parcel of 2.35 acres having 2 towers of 3 podium plus 15 residential floors consisting of 2 and 3 BHK residences. Now coming to the location part. Project is located in Bavdhan, Pune West near Oracle IT Park with Mumbai-Pune highway at a distance of 1.3 kilometers, Chandni Chowk same 1.3 kilometers, schools like Ryan International School at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, Hinjewadi IT Park around 16 kilometers, that is a 20 minutes drive. Also, upcoming Chandni Chowk metro station within 1.5 kilometers. This metro station is on Metro Line 2 which will connect Bavdhan to central Pune like Pune station to Koregaon Park. Also, you can watch the actual site tour of Purva Aspire with nearby landmarks. Simply visit our website Housey.com. Now coming to the amenities part. First one is internal amenities. Biggest highlight of the project is home automation. All the flats are having home automation by Bluenix Light technology in which light and switches are controlled with Google Home. High-tech security system with biometric access and video monitoring. Multiple lighting and cooling setting. Centralized purified water in kitchen tap. Twin living concepts, that is, experience the feel of both indoor and outdoor living with huge balcony areas for extra activities like organic garden, lounge parties or barbecue, fitness gym and yoga. Now the external amenities. Purva Aspire has 30 plus luxurious amenities likes of Oxy Ridge Clubhouse with gym, multi-purpose hall, indoor games, library, swimming pool and various others. Now approaching the parking part. The project has 3 levels of podium car parking facility available. Now let's analyze the master plan. As looking into the image, we can understand that there are 2 consecutive towers named as Tower Ruby and Tower Jade with 2 BHK Grand 828 square feet, 2 BHK Lux 981 square feet and 3 BHK Grand 1152 square feet and 3 BHK Lux 1453 square feet usable carpet area. Now let's analyze the floor plans. Here, both the towers are identical and have 8 flats on each floor with 5 units of 2 BHK and 3 units of 3 BHK along with 4 lifts and 2 staircases. All 3 BHKs are in the corner. The major difference between alternate floor is the positioning of the balcony. As you can see in even floors, balcony is at this location. However, in the odd, it has been shifted to this location, that is towards the kitchen area. Now let's analyze the unit plans. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK Grand with RERA carpet area of 719 square feet and 828 square feet usable carpet area. Basically, the difference between RERA and usable carpet is that in RERA carpet, we don't include the balcony area. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK Lux with RERA carpet area of 768 square feet and 981 square feet usable carpet area. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK Grand with RERA carpet area of 984 square feet and 1152 square feet usable carpet area. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK Lux with RERA carpet area of 984 square feet and 1453 square feet usable carpet area. Coming to the Vastu part, all flats are east-west facing with either east or west exit. Now the possession part. The project has RERA as well as target possession as September 2023. Talking about the maintenance, the per month maintenance in the project will be around rupees 7,200 to 7,500. Now coming to the payment scheme. Here you can take loan maximum up to 90% of the flat cost and need to do the minimum down payment of 10%. Also, to get the real-time cost sheet of Purva Aspire, where you can choose the carpet area, floor and can get the accurate complete cost sheet with price breakup, you can click on the link mentioned in the description or visit our website housey.com. Now heading towards the exciting part, that is pros and cons of the project. Firstly, let us discuss about the cons of the project, which is premium price. Project is priced at little premium with respect to the market. We agree that the project has great internal amenities and home automation, but still it is priced little higher than the other relative projects. Now towards the pros. Number 1. Home automation. Here you will be getting smart homes with lights and switches which are controlled with Google Home, biometric access and video monitoring. Number 2. Open view flats. Both the towers are designed in a way that no flat view is blocked and gives you a clear open view. Number 3. Big areas with twin living concepts. In the era of small areas where 3 BHKs are constructed in 850 square feet, this project has big carpet area and gives you twin living experience with huge balcony areas for extra activities like organic garden, lounge parties, etc. Number 4. Builder profile. Puravankara is well-known brand in the real estate industry and you can be assured about the excellent quality of construction with timely possession. Now let's have a look at the builder profile. Incepted in 1975, Puravankara has over 45 years of real estate experience and has successfully delivered 48 residential and 2 commercial projects spanning up to 23.54 million square feet with more than 25,000 plus happy families. They are operational in 6 major cities: Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Kochi, Hyderabad and Coimbatore. Some of their completed projects are Purva Palm Beach, Bangalore, Purva Highland, Bangalore, Purva Sunflower, Bangalore and Purva Windermere in Chennai. So everyone, this was the unboxing of Purva Aspire by Puravankara Group in Bavdhan, Western Pune. For more such details like pricing, floor plans, e-brochure or site visit, call or WhatsApp us at 9623 999 211. Also, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.